and namaskar to everyone. Welcome to day 9 of this series of short videos on one Excel formula a day. Now, today we're gonna learn about if and ifs formula. Just clear content. Now, there are two scenarios. First, we'll have if formula, if function. Now, here, if I have scored 30 marks or above, then the status should turn to pass. If my marks are less than 30, then here it should be try again. And scenario 2, if the person has scored more than 60 marks, then distinction, right? So let's start with our first function, that's if. Any formula starts from equals to sign and then if bracket open. If this cell, it is to be selected, if this cell is more than or equal to 30, then comma, value if true, it should be pass, comma, value if false, otherwise it should be try again, and bracket close. Remember, you have to write the narration, the alphabets, the what you say, the word under the quotes, otherwise it will show you an error. Hit enter. Now track and see everyone is passed because the marks are more than or equal to 30. Now let me change this. This has to be dynamic. If it is 25, try again. Let's try with this. If it is 29, let's try again. 31, right? Now coming to the different formula, reading the content, start with equal to. Now it is ifs, if multiple conditions are to be followed, bracket open. Now I start from if this cell is more than or equal to 60, then under quotes it is distinction. I'm not writing complete distinction, I'm writing DIS as a short form, comma. Now logical test 2, if is already there, if this cell is less than 30, then it's try again. The third, if it is more than 30, this cell is more than 30, more than or equals to, then it is PASS, pass, under quotes, bracket closed. Now distinction. Now let us do this. So wherever the marks are less than 30, it's try again. Wherever it is more than 60, it's distinction. Let's see, change this to 60. Again, this is distinction. Let's do this 59. Now this is pass. So this was a very simple yet very important formula where if is generally used for one condition and for more than one condition we use iF-IFS. Hope you have learned it and you have liked it. Keep sharing the videos and meet you on day 10. Please take care till then.